Oh, there we go. 527, you have 500s blocks.
Right.
Yep. If I'm going to put this in expanded notation, remember expanded notation is me stretching apart the number, pulling it apart with a slinky. Is it going to be 500 or be 5?
It's going to be 500.
500. So I'm going to put 500 down here plus for the tens, Quinn,
2.
how many tens sticks do I need? How many 10 sticks do I need, Quinn?
For what?
In the tens place right here. How many
In the tens place?
For what?
right here?
For
527. How many 10 sticks?
5?
In the tens.
In the 10.
0.
Can you see it?
Can you see it?
Middle. There we go.
2.
There we go.
Ew, good job. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, we have to figure out how to do this. So 10, 20. We're going to put an expanded notation down at the bottom. It's going to be 20 in this place value. So 500 plus 20. And then how many are in the sevens, Rochelle? Or how many are in the ones? The sevens.
7.
7. Oop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 500 plus 20 plus 7 is equal to 520. Awesome work.
How you put the ones
Stop.
instead of one block, you use.
Good job, Quinn. Good job, Rochelle. Okay, let's try one more. We're going to try one more today, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Our next number is going to be our magic number. Rochelle, you want to give me a magic number today?
24.
Okay.
Maybe 25.
24 is the number that Rochelle chose. How many in the tens? How many in the ones?
I think maybe in the tens there's 2, and in the ones there is 4.
Okay, 2 what in the tens?
2 tens, right?
Yep, so 2 10 sticks are going to be in the tens. So you have a 20 if you're going to do expanded notation, plus how many are going to be in the ones? Marin says 2, it says 4. So 21, 22, 23, 24. So 20 plus 4 is 24.
Wow.
I know. Good job, Quinn. Nicely done.
I choose a magic number, like in the that goes to the hundreds.
In the hundreds, we're gonna go. Let's see what time it is. Not today because we have to keep going. So today we're gonna do our addition. We have our addition numbers, our number sentences. We have word problems today. So Sal has 8 more magazines than Gemma. So we know that 8 is an important number. Okay. Sal has 15 magazines altogether. So we know 8 and 15, but we don't know how many magazines does Gemma have. So 8 plus what equals 15?
7.
You think it's 7? Let's see what other people think. Let's see if they can do the work. 8 plus
I think
15.
I think it's wait. If you have 8, 7, that is.
So you have 8 in your head, and then you have to count up to 15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job, Jonah.
Yeah, it's 8 plus 7.
It's 8
I
plus 7. Then when we talked about it last time, remember if we have 8 plus 8, that's going to be 16. So one less would be 15. Good job.
So 8 minus 1 equals 7. So, but like I just knew because I did this before. I figured it out in some of my math lessons.
Well, Zayden, 8 minus 7 is going to be what?
15.
8 minus 7
8 minus 7 equals 1.
equals 1. Okay, let's try another one, okay? We're gonna do another one because I think you guys have this. So let's try this. Okay. Let's do, okay, Marin has 10 cookies. And Quinn gives Marin 5 more cookies. But Zayden gives Marin 3 more cookies. How many cookies does she have in all? How would
I
we?
always add bigger numbers. So like 10 plus 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay. So you did 5 plus 3, which is 8.
8.
And
I
then
think the answer is 8.
and then you bring down the 10, and so 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay.
Yes. Because I added the 5 and the 3 to make 8, and I added that to 10, and I got 18. That's how we figured this out.
Oh, okay. So let's try one more. Let's try another one. Okay, ready? Here we go. So let's see. Rochelle is giving Quinn 10 cookies. And Rayanna is going to give Rochelle 10 more cookies.
Oh.
And Jonah is going to give Rochelle 10 more cookies. How many cookies is she going to have?
30.
30 cookies. How'd you figure that out?
Because I just know, because I know that 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30.
Okay.
Like because 10, like I know how to count by 10.
Oh,
Like,
good. That's helpful. That's helpful. But if you also do it this way, you can also look at it this way. You do 10.
I know how to.
You could do it this way too. What was that, Mayrin? I didn't know if you jumped on. Go for it.
I was gonna say that I know 10 plus 10 is 20, so just one more is 30.
Good. I like that. You can also I like that. You can also break it up. Again, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's just how your brain sees numbers. You're just playing with numbers. That's all you're doing. Right? So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is going to be 20. Let's see here. Let's think of another number. Okay. So if one more 10, yep. Jonah, you got that. And then last one is equals 30. Jonah. Good job. So 30 what was yep, got it. I like that you're writing it all down. Okay, ready? Awesome job, Jonah. Okay, let's see if we can have somebody. So Zayden, pick a number from 1 to 10. Zayden, there you go.
I choose like maybe, I know I could choose like maybe 87.
No, between 1 and 10. So from 1 to 10, you have to pick a number.
Okay, 1 to 10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So so it shouldn't be a number over 10.
Correct.
Like I choose like maybe 7 added
Okay.
to 9 to 8.
7. And Jonah says, I can see Jonah's hand. I think Jonah, you said 10, right, Jonah? On your hands? Yes. Okay. So 7 plus 10. Mayrin, give us another number.
plus
All of it.
plus
Uh,
8.
8. Okay, so we have 7 plus 10 plus 8. How are you going to figure that out?
Maybe I could add 7 and 8, and that makes 15. And add that 15, add one more 10, so it's 25. Maybe.
Okay, you could do it that way. What's another way to do it?
Maybe you.
Let's get other people to talk. Hang on. Any other people to think? How else would you do that? How would you figure that out? So we take, go for it, Mayrin.
I know.
Okay. What's
I
another?
think you could also go. I think you could also go. You could do 10 plus 8 equals 18, then 17, no, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Okay, so you could definitely do it that way. You could do 18 plus 7 is 25. You could do it that way. Yep, you could do it that way. You could also do it, so if we broke it down even further, I have some people that can do 7 plus 10 plus 8. They want to make it a little bit more like smaller numbers. You could do 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, because that's 10, right? And then you could do plus 4 plus 4. That would be a lot of numbers. That'd be a lot of numbers. Good job, Jonah.
That would.
It would be a lot of numbers. You could make them into small numbers, so it makes it a little easier. So if you want to do that, you could do that way. And you could do your manipulatives there. But again, it's not really easier. It's just a different way. Awesome. Okay. I'm going to do one more. Ready? Okay. Ready? We're going to do one more. Let's see if Quinn, give me a number between 1 and 10.
Me, man. What? Wait, are you you're doing minus?
No,
So
I'm
it's not 11, it is 9.
It's 9. So if I do 10 minus 1, it's 9. You're right. Can you give me a number though? Give me any number, Quinn. We're gonna put one together. Give me any number.
10 minus 11.
Oh,
10.
so wait a minute. We got a 10 minus, so let's go. We gotta put the big number first. Let's see. Let's put 11. 11 minus 10 is what?
What? It is 11 minus 10 is probably 10.
11 minus 10, we got to take away. So if we do this, look, we can look at it, our 10s and 1s. If we have 11 minus 10, let's see. So let's look, Quinn. In our 1s place, 1 minus, if we do 1 minus 0 is what?
1 minus 0 is 1.
1. Good job. What's 1 minus 1?
1 minus 1 is 0.
0. So our difference is going to be 1. So 11 minus 10 is 1. Good job, guys. Okay, I am going to stop the recording. Let me see your